How to find draft post on Facebook. This tutorial shows you how to access and manage your draft posts. First, open the Facebook app on your Android device. After that, tap on what's on your mind to create a new post. From there, start typing your post or adding photos. At this point, instead of tapping post, tap the back button or close icon. In the next step, Facebook will ask if you want to save as draft. Following this, tap Save to Draft to store your post. Once done, you'll receive a notification that your draft has been saved. From here, tap on that notification to access your draft posts. At this stage, you'll see all your existing drafts from the past 3 days. After this, tap on any draft to edit it or add more content. Once completed, tap Post to publish it or save it as a draft again. Important note: drafts are only stored for 3 days and can only be accessed through the notification. Make sure to post or save important drafts before they expire. And that's it. If this draft post guide helped you manage your Facebook content, give it a like, subscribe for more Facebook tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.